how to open Gemini with voice command on your phone. It is very easy to do it. So you need to go to Gemini app and here tap on the profile icon, swipe and tap on settings, and here we have talk to Gemini hands-free. Tap on it and from here just enable Hey Google, and here tap more, turn on, and you are all set. Tap done. And now if you exit and say Hey Google, as you can see, Gemini appears. You can do it also from the lock screen. Hey Google, how are you today?
Doing great, thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
So it's working just fine. So I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.